Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap here to personalizations. Now we can see here the wallpapers. Click here once and we can select our new wallpaper from our device. Photos previously taken on our device camera, or for example downloaded from the internet. Also we can use the default photos on our smartphone. For example, let's use this one. Just tap here to apply and select home and lock screens. Now just let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. If you wanna change it by another way, you just should first hold for a while your device screen, and then on the left down corner you'll see here wallpapers icon. Just click here once, and by the same way you should just I just select this live wallpaper. That's why I can put on home and lock screen together. So let's just use, for example, this one. Tap apply and we want to change the lock screen. So just click here and let's see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.